kind of, okay. Our Foal Probiotic. Our Foal Probiotic is engineered really for the nursing foal, okay? That's typically a foal, 1 day to 4 months. You know, after that, they're looking to get weaned pretty quick, okay? Now, where this really is going to do a lot of good is in the 1 to 30 day foal. There's nothing like it for the 1 to 30 day foal, okay? So, who needs it? Our product is really engineered for farms with GI disease outbreaks. Your farm is foals a lot of mares out, you're getting bloody diarrhea and foals 1 to 5 days of age. You're seeing it time after time after time. These foals need this Foal Probiotic from the moment that they have secured their colostrum in 12 to 18 hours. After that, you start them on the probiotic. This is a live microorganism, so I don't ever feed any probiotics to foals younger than 12 hours of age, because I don't want their intestinal tract closed. I don't want them absorbing any bacteria, good or bad. Foal Probiotic, greater than 12 hours, go. This will shut down disease outbreaks, especially those associated with rotavirus, salmonella, and Clostridium. Those are the leading causes of highly contagious infectious diarrhea in newborn foals. This is also going to be key for any foal developing what we call sepsis or a neonatal systemic infection. Those babies, it's always going to manifest as some sort of GI disease, so they get an infection. It doesn't have to be a highly contagious thing. They get an infection, they're going to have some diarrhea, they're going to get sick. They can put them in the hospital very quickly. This product is to be very highly engineered for that. This is a foal that has diarrhea, in the first 30 days, or hopefully not, but colic. The ingredients in this Foal Probiotic are so specifically engineered for these 3 situations where you have a farm that's having an outbreak and you're wanting to prevent that outbreak. You have a foal that has developed an infection as a neonate, less than 30 days. If it has an infection, it needs this probiotic. If the baby doesn't have necessarily a systemic infection, but just has an intestinal infection or upset or colic, and it's young, it needs this probiotic. This probiotic will be beneficial to older foals as well whenever they get very sick. Now, if you have a foal that, I'm going to throw some caveats out here because this can get a little bit confusing, but if I have a healthy foal that is at high risk, for GI problem, he's going to go on our FullBucket paste probiotic. Well, let's turn it on to probiotic. paste. He doesn't, he's at high risk. He's probably on high doses of antibiotics. He's got stress. Maybe he's fighting rotococcus or something else, but he doesn't have an actual intestinal disturbance. He's healthy in terms of his GI tract, but he's at high risk for developing GI tract. I want him on our probiotic paste, and he's going to get anywhere from 4 to 10 cc's 2 times a day. 4 is going to be less than 30 days. 10 is going to be a supplement foal. Greater than 30 days. If the foal is sick with GI disease, foal probiotic. So, I'm high risk, but I'm healthy, and I am not dealing with a neonatal outbreak of diarrhea at a breeding farm or where I'm seeing rotavirus outbreaks or salmonella or clostridium. I'm a little bit older. I'm on antibiotics. I've got a lot of weaning stress. I've got mares shipping back and forth to breeding barns, what have you, going on our FullBucket probiotic paste. I am sick and I have GI disease, I'm going on our Foal Probiotic, or if I'm a newborn and there's an outbreak, I'm going on our Foal Probiotic. There's some confusion there, but that's me trying to explain it. So I still use our regular paste. Because if I've got a foal that is on rotococcus, you've got R. equi, rotococcus equi pneumonia. The antibiotics there are known to cause GI disease in people, in dogs, and horses. You can't even get them close to adult horses because they'll kill an adult horse. The GI disease is so bad. But we have to use them, and typically the foals will manage through them, but you will see some very severe GI disease in these things. A full probiotic paste is not going to be applicable there. Okay? It won't work. I shouldn't say it won't work. It will work fine. It's overkill. Okay? Okay? It's a tank.
That's what that was.
It's a tank. Okay? It's a tank. There's got to be a guy out there.
There gotta be a little gun. Yeah, there you go. It's called a turret.
And he's got a 50 cal out here.
Yeah.
Okay, there's
Shrapnel.
yeah. Okay. So that's a tank. We don't necessarily need the tank here. What we need is in Great Britain there's these guys and they wear these big tall black hats and look like real douchebags, okay? And they are just guarding the Queen's castle, okay? We need to guard, okay? Guards needed, not tanks. Okay?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay.
That's really good.
Okay. So we're just going to use the probiotic paste.
I am putting that up on YouTube, by the way.
Okay. Okay. This will work fine, because you're gonna spend a lot of money, and maybe you're gonna be. I mean, a tank will guard Queen's Castle. Everyone knows that. But if the goofy dude with the black hat that won't smile whenever you go and make jokes in front of me, if he'll take care of it, then use that. Okay, so that's why in my hospital those patients go on that.
So like when
And
I
you
have,
can't use the granule because you can't feed the granule.
Right.
Make sure the foal gets it and not the mare. So
Yeah.
paste.
so on my place, you know, if I've got only like 3 or 4 colts, mares and colts, maybe not. But if I've got 8 or 10, definitely need to be putting paste on them, or even on the 3 to 4.
Like every day
Well, yeah, just
as prevention.
the first 30 days. The probiotic paste.
If I'm gonna shoot myself in the foot, but if there's never been a problem, if you never had a
Then
problem,
don't worry about it.
they're free ranging.
Yep.
Don't worry about it. If you're taking your mare to go see Jeff Osgood to go breed the dual ray, and you're going to throw her in the trailer, and that baby's going to go haul up there, and Jeff takes great care of his horses, but you're taking her out of your home environment, everything. Absolutely, I'm going to be treating that baby. You know, wash it there. That's a stress. But whenever you're staying at home, they're running out of 20 acres. You got 3 head. You know.
No problem.
You don't have the Queen's Castle. You just got acres and acres.
That's
Okay.
good stuff.
All right, that's it.